There's the first rock. I see. Excuse me. Passing by. Excuse me, please. Please, excuse me. You really have to look where you're stepping. These buggers just everywhere. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. There's your dad. It's so pretty here. You know, scary part. There could be a bear somewhere. There's so many grasshopper and what is that called? Grasshopper and darn find it. Dragonflies. Yeah. Excuse me, grasshopper. Excuse me. Excuse me. Move. Move, move, move. I'm passing. Move. Excuse me. Excuse me, passing through. Goodness.
It's the best time to eat right here.
Yeah.
You hungry?
No. I'm not hungry. You can eat the avocado. Just eat the banana then. Look at the water. It's so clear. And there's ice. Look. There's ice over there. That definitely looks like ice to me. No, that's bubbles. Those are bubbles. That's not ice. What the heck's wrong with me? Yeah. There's so many dragonflies around here. And there's this cute flower right there. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Cutie pies. There, see? How cute. Boy. It's really nice. I don't see any fish though. Absolutely no fish. Not one, not zero. Okay. Hope there's fish somewhere, but not in this river. It's probably sleeping somewhere under a rock. Okay, bye.